Good morning, students. In previous class we have learned exercise 5 up to third bit. Okay, here fourth bit is there. Look here. Check if the second number is a factor of the first number. Write Y for yes and N for no. Okay. Here for every question they gave two numbers. Okay. We have to check this second number is a factor of the first number or not. Okay. Look here. I will explain first one. 20 and 5 given. Okay, to check whether it is a factor of this number or not, we have to do division of these numbers. Okay, 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. We got remainder 0. If you get remainder 0, then this 5 is a factor of 20. Okay, so we'll write S. We'll write here Y. Okay, now look at B question. 33 and 11 given. So we'll divide these two. 33 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33. 33 minus 33 is 0. Here also we got remainder 0. So we'll write S. Okay, like this we have to do these problems. Now I will explain this L one. Okay, 54 and 3 given. Okay, L. We'll do division here. 54. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 and this 4 will be written here. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. If you get 0, then it will be S. Okay, it is a factor of this number. Okay, if you will not get here 0, if you get 1 or 2 or 3 like that numbers, then it is not the factor of this number. Okay, like this you have to do these problems. This is homework for you. Remaining problems, complete it. Okay, now look here children, let us learn about common factors. Okay, common factors. Already we learned about common multiples. Common multiples. Now let us learn about common factors. Okay, for example, I want to find the factors of 4 and 8. Okay, I want to find the factors of 4 and 8. Then first we will find the factors of 4. Factors of 4. Okay, 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 4 are the factors of 4. Okay, next we will write the factors of 8. Factors of 8. Look, 1 8s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 3 table will get 8? No. Up to here only we will complete. These 4 are the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. Now we will write common factors. Common factors of 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are in these two both which are same here. 1 2 4. 1 2 4. So 1 2 4 are the common factors of 4 and 8. Okay, one more example I will explain. 36 and 24 is there. 36 and 24. First we will write factors of 36. Okay, here we have to find common factors. So first we will write the factors of 36. Then we will write factors of 24. Okay, okay, look here. 36. 1 36 are 36. 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. In 5 table we will not get 36. 6 6 are 36. Here we got 6. We will not do next. Okay, these are the factors of 36. 1 2 3 4 6 9 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36. Okay, we'll write factors like this side and then this side. Okay, you have to write ascending order. Okay, next we will find the factors of 24. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 5 5s are 25. We will not get 24, so 6 already here, so we'll stop this here. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 are the factors of 24. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Okay, these are the factors of 24. Now we'll write common factors of 36 and 24. What are the common factors? 1 2 3 4 6. Here 9 is there, but in this 9 not there, so we'll not take. 12 is there, 12. Okay, these are the common factors. 1 2 3 4 6 12. Okay, like this you have to find the common factors. Okay, common. I hope you understood this. Here textbook page number 151, first bit is there. Here you have to find the factors of the numbers, then list the common factors. You have to find common factors of these numbers. Okay, already first one 4 and 8 I have explained here, so do this remaining as homework. Okay, homework. After writing this first bit, here in textbook page number 153, in textbook page number 153, third bit is there. Okay, third bit, do this also homework. Okay, in the same way, third bit. Okay, I will explain A answer. 18 and 21 given. 18 and 21. First we will find the factors of 18. Factors of 18, then factors of 21. Okay, next common factors of 18 and 21. Okay, first factors of 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. In 4 table will not get 18. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. We will not get 18. 6 already completed, so up to here we'll stop. 1 2 3 6 9 18. These are the factors of 18. Okay, now we'll write the factors of 21. 1 21s are 21. In 2 table we'll get 21. No, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22. 3 7s are 21. 4 table will not get, 5 not get, 6 7 already completed, so we'll stop here. 1 3 7 21. These are the factors of 21. So we'll write common factors, the factors which are in these two numbers, same. Okay, 1 and 3. Common factors are 1 and 3. Okay, this is A answer. I will explain one more for you, B also. Okay, look here, 45 and 30. 45 and 30. We'll write first factors of 45. Factors of 45. Then we'll write factors of 30. Common factors of 45 and 30. Common factors of 45 and 30. Okay, look, 145 is a 45. Into table we'll get 45. No, why? Because look, division will do. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 will be written here. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. We got remainder 1, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, next 3. 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 5 will be written here. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. We got 0 means it is divisible. 3 15s are 45. Okay. Next 4 table. 45 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 5 will be written here. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. We got remainder 1. So 45 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Next 5. Yes, 5 9s are 45. 6 table. No, will not get 45 in 6 table. 7. No. 8. No. 9 already completed. These are the factors of 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Okay. Now look at 30. 1 30 is a 30. 2 table. We will do division to know when we get 30. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 0 will be written here. 2 5s are 10. So 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Next 3 10s are 30. In 4 table will not get 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 already completed. We will leave here. These are the factors of 30. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. Okay. Now we'll round up common factors. 1 3 5 15. 1 3 5 15 are the common factors of 45 and 30. Do these divisions and these outside of the line. Okay. Do these all as homework. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. This is homework for you. And after writing here first bit, write this third bit in your fair notes. Then after, now I will explain how to do this second and third bits. You have to do the second bit. Okay. Look here. Two trees, factor trees are given. Okay. Factor trees are given. Now let us learn about factor trees. Factor trees. Okay. Factor trees. Okay. Look here children. For example, I want to write factor tree of 18. Okay. 18. First we will write like this 18 and we will split it into 2. In 2 table when we get 18, yes, 2 9s are 18. So we will write 9 here. 2 9s are 18. Okay. For 9 we can split again. How many parts? 2 parts. That is 3 3s are 9. Okay. For 3 we can split again. No. Note. One note point is there. What is that means? We do not show 1 into number itself on the factor tree. We should not say 1 3s are, 1 3s are, 1 2s are. Okay. We should not take 1 here. Okay. We can take any other number but we should not take 1 here. Okay. This is a factor tree of 18. One more factor tree we can draw with 18. That is, in 3 table we will get 18. Yes, 3 6 are. So we will write 3 6 18. 3 6 18. So we will write 3 and 6 here. Okay. For 3 we cannot split, but for 6 we can split. So 2 parts. In 2 table we will get 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now we cannot do further. 2 factor trees we can draw for 18. That is this and this. We can draw some more also. Again 9 2s are like that. Okay. These are the factor trees. Okay. A factor tree shows the different ways in which a number can be split into its factors. These are the factors of 18. Okay. by these factor trees we can show the numbers, we can show the factors of these numbers. Okay, now one more example I will explain. 8 is there. Okay, to split 8, first we will write here 2. In 2 table we will get 8 is 2 4s are 8. Okay, for 4 we can split again, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, next one more also we can do, that is 4 2s are, and same we will get 2 2s are. Okay, this is a factor tree of 8. Okay, here look, 2 and 9 different numbers, here 3 and 6 different numbers we got, but here 2 and 4 only we are getting. For some factor trees we will get same, for some factor trees we will get different numbers. Okay, look here in textbook page number 151, complete the two factor trees for 16. Here for 16 we have to complete this 16. In 2 table when we get 16, yes, 2 8s are 16. Next in 2 table when we get 8, 2 4s are 8. Okay, for 4 we can split it into 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now in 4 table when we get 16, 4 4s are 16. For 4 we can split it again 2, 2 into 2. For 4 we can split it into 2. Very simple, we have to check whether this number will be get in any other table or not. If it is getting means we have to write like this. Okay, these all are the factors of 16. Okay, and do this third bit also. Already I explained A answer 8. You have to do B, C, D. Okay, after writing this second and third bits, open textbook page number 154 and do this fifth bit also. Okay, do this fifth bit also there only. Make two factor trees for each of the following. I will explain here. 4 problems are given. I will explain. A 32 is given. 32 in 2 table we will get 32. Yes, do division and no. 2 ones are 2, 1 2, 2 6 are 12. So 2 16s are 32. Okay, 2 we cannot split 2 again, but we can split 16. In 2 table we will get 16, so we can split it again. 2 8s are 16. Okay, we cannot do this again, but we can do this. 2 4s are 8. Okay, again 2 2s are. This is a factor tree of the 32. And one more method is also is there, that is in 4 table 3 table will get 32. No, in 4 table is 4 8s are 32. Okay, now we can split it again to 2 2s are 4, and here also we can split it 2 4s are 8. Next again we can split it 2 2s are 4. This is a factor tree of 32 in 2 ways. Okay, now look at B question. I will explain D. Okay, you do this B and C as homework. Look here, D 48 given. 48 is divided into first 2 24s are 48. Okay, do division, then you will get 24 here. 2 24s are 48. Then we have to split it again, this 24 into 2 parts. 2 12s are 12 2s are 24. Okay, next we can split it this 12 into 2 parts. 2 6 are 12. Next 2 3s are. This is the factor tree of 48. This is the factor tree of 48. And one more factor tree we can draw, that is 4 12s are 48. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay, like this also we can draw. Okay, these are the two factor trees of this 48 number. Do this B and C as homework. Okay, if you have any doubts you can call me. And today's homework is textbook page number 150. Complete this fourth bit in your notes. After writing this fourth bit, write exercise 6 first bit. After writing this first bit, write textbook page number 153, this third bit. Then after again write exercise 6 second bit, third bit. After that write this. Okay, complete your notes up to here. After writing that bit, complete here. Okay, thank you.